Hello friends, hola amigos, bienvenidos, and welcome to Money Penny Fitness, where fitness, fun, and food are always center stage. If you're interested in implementing these things in your world, please smash that subscribe button and rock the notification bell. Welcome back, guys. It looks like we're having a pretty good response with the ab workouts. I feel like everybody's engaged, everyone wants to get involved. Hopefully you're actually engaging in the workout routine along with me, as well as changing up some things in your diet to help you get closer to the abs that you would love to have. So this is a more intense workout. I've started it on a low level just in case you're new to doing these types of workouts. I want you to be able to feel it. I want you to feel confident in what you're doing and know that you're doing it properly. So I keep using some of the same exercises and adding to them. So if you're just joining me on this video and you have not seen the two prior videos, I would highly recommend stopping where you are, or if you want, just continue watching the rest of this video, but please make sure you go back to the beginner level. Make sure you find the level that works best for you and start at that point. And this is presuming that you've got clearance from your doctor. And in the prior videos, I talked about the abdominals and how we get to the abdominals that we're looking for, the abdominals that we desire, that we want, so we feel like we're cinched and shredded. So you definitely want to do these workouts where you're fatiguing your ab muscles and you're fatiguing all of them. Every muscle that's involved in your core, your lower abdominals, your upper abdominals, your obliques, as well as your lower back. Engaging all of these muscles is going to help get you where you want to be, to the stronger core, get you doing exercises that you probably never thought you'd do before, or you probably have done them before and you've just been so far away from doing it that you have to warm up to getting back there again. So we're going to do it. I got a good workout for you today. Let's get into it. The first exercise that we're going to do is the boat hold. So I'm going to start easy on you. The boat hold is basically a position. It's a planking position. So lay down, and from a laying down position, and every time you lay down, you don't want this space underneath your back. You don't want that arch space. I'm not sure if you can see it, but I can fit my hand through that. That's what we don't want. This is the position that you want to be in. You want to feel like you're trying to pull your navel into the floor, is basically what we're doing. So the boat hold, we're going to pull our head up. We're going to curl in and create kind of this boat position. And we're going to hold this for 45 seconds. Okay, boat hold starting now. So definitely make sure you are just kind of balancing on your butt. Well, your lower back actually. Point your toes. If your feet start cramping, you can release the pointed toe. You don't want to feel like you're coming back down. So definitely stay up in this plank position. Pull your abdominals into your back. Okay, 45-second boat hold. The next exercise that I want to do is going to be the alternating heel touches. So again, we're going to be in a laying down position. Again, do not arch your back. Get comfortable. And this is the position that we're basically going to be in. Your head is going to be up. Your spine is going to be along the floor, no arched back. And from this position, let's go ahead and put our feet about hip width apart. And now what we're going to do is go from side to side and touch our heels. If you need it a little easier, bring your heels closer to you. 45 seconds, alternating heel touches, starting now. And if you can't get the heels, touch your ankles, touch your calves, but if at all possible, touch your heels, please, because you're gonna get the most out of this workout if you touch your heels and keep this motion going. Oh yeah, feel the burn. And don't get comfortable laying back. All right, 45 seconds. That was great. All right, so that's 2 out of 5 exercises. The third exercise that we're going to do is a throwback from the first video that I did. We did the laying Superman. And basically the laying Superman was laying down on our stomach and holding this position. Instead of just holding the position, now we're gonna alternate legs and arms in that position. And what that's going to look like is laying Superman, left arm in the air, right foot in the air, and alternate right arm in the air, left foot in the air. So we're gonna alternate back and forth. This is gonna be great. You're gonna enjoy it. 45 seconds, laying, alternating Superman, starting now. And you're balancing on your tummy, and you're bringing your arm and your leg up as far as you can. Don't forget to breathe. Slow breaths in and out. Keep everything pulled tight. Perfect. 45 seconds, done. See how easy that was? And we've only got 2 left to do. That's in this first set. I do recommend doing 3 sets of this workout of each one of these exercises. So let's keep it moving because we're doing our 45 seconds on and we're taking our 15-second break. Now the next exercise, because we are stepping things up, is we're going to go back into the side plank, but now we're going to do a reach through motion with the side plank. And I'll show you what that's gonna look like. So remember the side plank, you make sure your shoulder is over your elbow and your elbow is in line with your wrist while your fingertips are solid and gripping the floor. You wanna make sure you're out in this position, 1 foot over the other, and you're gonna be in the air with your plank. Now before we stayed like this for 45 seconds. This time what we're gonna do is put our hand in the air and like you're serving through your arm a drink on a tray. This is the motion that we're going to do. 45 seconds each side. I know you're having fun. You have to be having fun with this. All right, let's get in position. 45-second side planks starting now. Reach throughs. And go ahead and watch your hand as you form the motion. Keep your fingertips gripping the floor. For balance. Slow, easy motion. breathe. This is a tough one, but I have faith. I know you can do it. Let's switch sides. Take your little 15-second breather. And while you're breathing, just slowly get yourself into your position. So while you're getting in position, make sure your shoulder is over your elbow and your elbow is in line with your wrist. Also, make sure you have a good grip with your fingertips on the floor because that is going to help you with balance. Okay, so 45 seconds on the timer. Get ourselves in position and starting now. Not how fast you can do it, but how well you can complete the motion. So take your time. Make sure your feet stay stacked. Make sure you're breathing. Make sure you're watching your hand go up and come under and through. If you're feeling a little shaky, that's okay. Just focus on keeping everything tight. All right. The last exercise is going to be hip raises. We've done this one before. I feel as if they were not done as thoroughly as they could have been done. So pretty much the motion here is to lay down on your back, put your hands behind your head, and you're gonna be in this position. Again, you don't want your back arched. That's a no-no. This is what we want. So, laying on your back, spine against the floor, and we're just gonna come up and let's go all the way down and bring the hips up. Slow, complete motions. So we're not gonna go fast and try to build up momentum to pull ourselves up. We're gonna raise ourselves up slowly because that's going to cause you to actually work your abdominals. You're gonna engage them a lot better that way. So let's go ahead and knock these last 45 seconds out with the hip raises. 45 seconds on the clock. Get in position. 45 seconds, starting now. Make sure you're breathing. And make sure you're lifting those hips off of the floor. I have a tendency to go up like this because it gives you a more intense crunch when you straighten that leg out. You don't have to. Keep it here. You did a great job. Woo! I love it. Very good. We did it. That was so easy. Now, that is a much harder level. Congratulations if you were able to get through it. Even if you weren't able to get through it, I congratulate you for even trying it. So keep practicing. You're gonna get better. Keep doing what you're doing to cut the calories with your meals. And before you know it, you're gonna be cinched and shredded like you know you can be. You got this. Now just go get it.